What makes the car go? It needs fuel to make it go. Fuel makes the bus go too. Windmill. What makes the windmill go? It needs wind to make it go. Sailboat. Wind makes the sailboat go too. Batteries. What makes a toy train go? It needs batteries to make it go. Watch. Batteries make the watch go too. What makes the cart go? It needs a horse to make it go. A horse can make machines go too. Cart. Water wheel. What makes a water wheel go? It needs water to make it go. Raft. Water can make the raft go too. Electricity. What makes the light go? It needs electricity to make it go. Electricity can make a train go too. What makes a bike go? It needs pedals to make it go. Can you pedal to make it go? Pedals. What makes you go? You need food to make you go.
About lighthouses. Lighthouses are all by the sea. They help to keep ships safe. A lighthouse is tall and round like a tower. Stairs. It has stairs that go round and round up to the top. There is a big light at the top of the lighthouse. It shines over the sea at night. People on boats and ships see the big light. It makes them keep away from the rocks. Lighthouses help ships in bad weather, too. Horn. They have horns that make a big noise. People on boats and ships hear the big noise. Snow. The horns and lights help them to keep safe. The lighthouse helps ships in a fog, too. Fog. Its horn makes the people take their ships away. Lighthouses work to keep ships safe.
It was time to go to bed. Hal had a tantrum. He shouted and yelled. He stamped his feet. "What is the matter?" asked the Queen. "What do you want?" asked the King. "I want the moon!" yelled Hal. "You shall have the moon," said the Queen. The King called for the servants. "You must go and catch the moon," he said. The servants were called Grim and Crumb. Grim was tall and thin. Crumb was short and fat. They set off to catch the moon. The servants went out into the garden. The moon was high up in the sky. "There it is," said Grim. "How shall we catch it?" asked Crumb. "I have a plan," said Crumb. "We need a ladder, a net, a big hook, and some string." The servants put the ladder by the tree. But they could not catch the moon. "I have a plan," said Crumb. The servants went up to the top of the tower. but they could not reach the moon. The servants saw the moon in the pond. "I will catch it in my net," said Crumb. "Then I will tie it up with string," said Grim. Crumb and Grim fell in the pond. The moon would not stay still. It wiggled and wobbled. They could not catch the moon. Grim and Crumb were wet and cross. They could not catch the moon. They went to tell the king and queen. The king and queen were very happy. The moon was right outside the window. "Here is the moon! You caught it!" they cried. But little Hal was fast asleep.